Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my other squishy package, and it's my apple. I know that it is. It doesn't say it because it's in Chinese, but I'm going to open it and play with it. So, really, again, I can't open it. And I just got it in the mail, February 4th. This is the apple. Oh my gosh. And it told me, like, what I ordered. But part of it is in Chinese, like the name is Chinese. So I ordered one, and then it was $4.97, and I got it from China, and the shipping was free. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Oh, gosh. My room is being recreated. So now, upside down, sorry. My room is being recreated. So now, oh my gosh. So I have to record on my chair. So I'm going to open this part. Open the bag thing. Oh, there goes the keychain. Oh, and it's really soft too. Like it feels, it's like really squishy. Like, it's exactly what the picture looked like. It's like really soft and squishy. There you go. Okay. You know what? I'll just like record on the floor. Apparently, I had no other choice. Okay. Okay. So the keychain came without, like, it wasn't on it. So I'm like, that's weird. Anyway, so now I have to put the keychain back on, okay? And that's good. And then I'll point out, like, the defects and stuff. Okay, so. Okay. So, right here there's a hole. But that's fine. That's just like an air hole. And then this is kind of like off, like the paint. It's kind of, well, yeah, the paint. But it's kind of like flabbery. So I'm just going to peel that. Like it's connected. And then this is like a line. And then there's the red paint, as you can see. But there is no like cracks in it. So, sorry. So these are, okay, so this is the first one that I got, and this one did not come from China. It's kind of, it's faster than this. So it's not that much slow rising, and then there's a little bit of defects, like, all over on the, like, where there's, like, the cracks. And then here, it's really slow rising, as you can see. And this is my second one. And then I also ordered a French baguette, which should be coming soon. Oh, and then also there's some red paint on the side of the leaf. So, and then there's paint all over the clear chain part. So maybe that's why it came without the keychain on it. Okay. And like, it's really squishy. I just love it. It smells really bad, and so does this one. My friends, they all say that it smells like really good. My friend Gabi, I'll put her name in the description below. She thinks it smells like strawberry chocolate cake or something, but it smells like, I told her, I'm like, you really think that it smells like strawberry cake? And she's like, yeah. I'm like, it smells like a foot. And she's like, no, it doesn't. I'm like, yeah, it does. But she's like one of my best friends. So, yeah. Oh. So, yeah. Bye-bye.